Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So once again, Jonathan, Jesus, Julio, Angel just crushed this concrete. Really fantastic work. Good joint, good broom pattern. Everything that you want and nothing you don't. These are where our drain connections are. Pipe on the right is for our electrical and water hookups over the RV shelter. Just a great finish. Nothing at all to complain about. These inset pieces are where we'll dig in our posts, our 6x6s. Good deep cuts, especially with a slab on grade, keep this from moving around much. Everything exactly the way we want it. I did a little creative work here, tying into this old piece of concrete. It just very unsatisfactory, but this worked out for us here. And that's it for stage one. Job well done. Phase two will be breaking out this whole driveway where the dirt's all torn up. We'll cut that back for a nice widened curve through there, straighten out the driveway, clean all this up, redo the sidewalk, and job is done. Call us if we can help you out with your concrete work. We can handle it, whatever you've got, large slabs, small sidewalks, and everything in between. Got the crew's equipment and experience to get it right for you the first time and on time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep pulling for our friends in Ukraine.